Chance, and I'm going to tell you why I can be part of the Academy Parliament. So first, I like helping out and is quite generous with my time. Occasionally, I take initiative to help out. And secondly, I'm quite responsible and accountable. You can always trust me. And lastly, I'm really eager to have the job. I would really appreciate if you vote for me. So thank you for listening to me.
And